Welcome to my kitchen. I'm naturally curly vegan and my name is Sonia. And guess what? Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegan whipped cream. It'll take no time to whip this up to put on your favorite desserts, hopefully vegan and sugar-free. Because if you look at my channel, I tell you how to make all kinds of different desserts with no sugar. And this whipped cream is the whipped cream that you want to use to go along with it if you want to be without sugar. So come along with me in my kitchen, and thank you for coming. Come along with me and watch me make this whipped cream. So, measuring it out. Now what you want is a full fat can of coconut milk. You want to stick that in the refrigerator overnight. This is some coconut milk that I have left over. Okay, I just want to measure it out so I can let you know how much I'm using in this recipe today. Looks like it's going to be just about a cup of full fat coconut milk. It's going to be a little bit over. And I'm using the whole thing because I don't like to waste. Don't like to waste at all. And I'm gonna put it in the blender. I only have a little tiny bit left, so I'm gonna add that to it too. I'm also adding 3/4 cups of cashews. That was a 1/2 cup, and this is 1/4. I am also adding 3 dates. Now, I'm not really sure if this is going to be sweet enough with just 3 dates, but I'm going to try it and see. If it's not going to be sweet enough, then I'll just add more. And I'm checking my dates for mold, any black mold, and I'm checking them for any types of insects. Because it just freaks me out to think that I'm eating some type of insect. So I do check them carefully. So into the blender they go. So we've got our coconut milk, our cashews, and our dates. Next I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Well, let me adjust the camera so you can see that. 1/2 teaspoon. And another 1/2 teaspoon. Okay? Now I am going to taste this. With all my recipes, I have to taste it. So I added a pinch of the Celtic sea salt, just a pinch, because I felt it needed just a little bit more flavor. So now I'm going to empty it into the container. And you will notice that it's not white like Cool Whip. but that's okay. Or like whipped cream, that's okay. Most of the time, your whole food desserts that are sweetened with dates, something that is a natural sugar that has all the fiber with it, is not gonna be white. And you will have a little bit of a cashew taste and a little bit of coconut taste. But those two flavors together, you know, they turn out pretty good, kind of like a whipped cream flavor. So, and with your vanilla, it also is really good. So, you know, it's very, very similar. And so you're not sacrificing your health to eat good. You know, and the fatness is there. The full fat effect that you get when you're eating fat desserts, because you have your nuts and you have your coconut milk. You know, these are all high fat foods, but they're plant-based. And so they're healthy for you. And it gives you the fats that you need instead of the fats you do not need. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is put the top on this and I'm gonna stick it in the freezer for an hour or two. I'll let you know how it turns out.